Hey everyone, it's James Nash and welcome back to our masterclass series on income generation with options. Now, it's time to dive into the deep end and explore how you can use these powerful tools to generate consistent cash flow. This is video 3.9, where we dive deep into advanced strategies for generating income through options trading. So, grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the income-generating potential of options trading together. Let's kick things off with one of the most popular options income strategies: selling covered calls. This strategy is widely used by investors looking to generate additional income from their stock holdings while potentially reducing risk. Imagine you own 100 shares of Apple stock. These shares are your underlying asset, and they play a crucial role in the covered call strategy. By selling a call option, you're giving someone else the right to buy your shares at a specific price by a specific date. This price is known as the strike price, and the date is the expiration date. In exchange, you receive a premium upfront. This premium is essentially the income you earn for taking on the obligation to sell your shares if the option is exercised. If Apple's stock price stays below the strike price by the expiration date, the option expires worthless, and you keep the premium. This scenario allows you to retain your shares and the premium, effectively boosting your overall returns. If Apple's stock price goes above the strike price, the buyer might exercise their right to buy those shares from you at the agreed-upon price. This means you sell your shares at the strike price, regardless of how high the market price has risen. Plus, you've potentially made a profit on the stock itself. This dual benefit of earning a premium and possibly profiting from the stock's appreciation makes covered calls a powerful strategy for many investors. Now, let's move on to another powerful, income-generating strategy: selling cash-secured puts. This method is particularly useful for investors who are looking for a way to generate additional income while also having the potential to purchase stocks at a lower price. This strategy is appealing if you're looking to buy a stock at a discount or generate income while waiting for a stock to reach your desired entry point. Essentially, it allows you to set a target price for a stock you want to own and get paid while you wait. When you sell a cash-secured put option, you're giving someone the right to sell you 100 shares of a stock at a specific price by a specific date. This means you need to have enough cash in your account to buy the stock if the option is exercised. In return, you receive a premium up front. This premium is yours to keep, no matter what happens with the stock price. It's like getting paid for being willing to buy a stock you already want to own. If the stock price stays above the strike price by the expiration date, the put option expires worthless, and you keep the premium. This is the best-case scenario for the seller, as you get to keep the premium without having to buy the stock. If the stock price falls below the strike price, the buyer might exercise their right to sell you those shares at the agreed-upon price. This could be seen as a win-win situation because you get to buy the stock at a lower price than its current market value. It's like getting a discount on a stock you were already interested in buying. Plus, you still keep the premium you received initially, which adds to your overall return on investment. Chapter 3. Building your options income stream. Now that we've covered two powerful options income strategies, let's talk about how you can implement them to create a consistent income stream. This chapter will guide you through the steps needed to build a reliable and steady flow of income using options trading. Diversify by selling covered calls or cash-secured puts on different stocks across various sectors. This approach helps mitigate risk and ensures that your income stream is not dependent on the performance of a single stock or sector. Consistency is key. The more consistently you sell options, the more opportunities you have to generate premium payments. Regularly engaging in options trading can help you build a predictable income stream over time. Have a plan for your extra cash flow. Reinvest it, cover living expenses, or compound your returns. By strategically managing your income, you can maximize the benefits of your options trading efforts. Options trading takes time, practice, and patience to master. It's important to continuously educate yourself and refine your strategies to stay ahead in the market. There are tons of resources available to help you along the way. From online courses to books and financial advisors, make use of these tools to enhance your trading skills and knowledge. Chapter 4. Weighing the risks and rewards. Selling options can provide a steady stream of income and help manage risk. For example, selling covered puts can generate income while limiting potential losses. However, options trading comes with risks, like the potential for unlimited losses when selling naked options. Always sell options with a cash-secured or covered approach to cover potential losses. Emotional decision-making is another risk. Stick to a solid trading plan. Even when things get volatile, remember, slow and steady wins the race. Outro: keep learning and keep growing. Thank you for joining us in this detailed exploration of income generation with options. Stay tuned for the next video in our Masterclass series, where we will explore more advanced options trading concepts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content.